I thought it was a pretty solid effort, start to finish. We've got to play a patient game. We've got to make sure we take what's given out there. When we have opportunities to get pucks to the net, we've got to try to get them there. I thought we had significant offensive zone time once again. I thought we did a better job at getting pucks to the net tonight than we did in Game 1. I think, I think our intent was to look to shoot the puck a little bit more. We still got a fair amount blocked. I think we've got opportunities to find lanes and get more pucks down to the crease for that next play. In my estimation, that next play is a really hard play to defend when you can get that first puck there. The puck goes somewhere, decisions have to be made, and usually opportunity can present itself. So, I thought it was a real diligent effort on our guys' part.
Mike, there were a couple of times, obviously, when Phil was visibly frustrated the way things were going for him and the team, and I think to the point where even you had to talk to him. And I'm just wondering what would have been said, and do you prefer to see a guy react that way?
I think you guys take things out of context. You guys have no idea what conversations go on the bench. So guys, it's an emotional game out there. Guys are heated, and they're heated for all the right reasons because they're invested. They want to win. And so, do we have some exchanges on the bench? Sure we do. And we encourage it because I think it helps our game. So, just because a guy gets a little bit emotional on the bench, for me, I think it helps our overall team game. I think progress is made. So, we call it a man's argument, That's the way it is. I think lines go back and forth and talk to one another. I think it brings juice to the bench. And Phil's an emotional guy. When he comes back to the bench, he wants a pass and he doesn't get it, he lets a guy know. I have no problem with that. I don't think our team has any problem with that. I think that's how we make progress. That's how we come together as a team. I think it brings energy to our bench, and for me, that's a good thing. So it tells me that we've got a bunch of guys that are invested and they want to win.
Coach, once Justin Schultz went out, what did you and Jacques Martin decide in terms of juggling the D, and how do you think those guys responded to having to play with just 5 for most of the game?
I thought they did a great job. I think Jacques does a really nice job, and he's trying to balance getting certain matches that we'd like to get with making sure that we spread the minutes to a certain point where nobody gets overtaxed. And so we believe we have a defense core that we have the ability to spread the minutes, and everyone is at their best when that's the case. So he walks that fine line when you lose a guy that early of trying to get certain matchups that we think are favorable to us, but also making sure that he manages those minutes the right way so no one bears that burden or responsibility that might be too great. So I think Jacques does a terrific job back there, and I thought the players responded really well.
Mike, getting back to conversations on the bench, there was a media timeout, and you had both hands on Malkin's shoulders. You're in his ear. I don't know what to make of it. Was it instructional? Was it encouraging?
I know what I want to make of it. You guys got too many cameras on the bench. Those conversations are between us, myself and the players. They're usually conversations that involve plays that happen on the ice, or sometimes they're words of encouragement. Sometimes they're reminders of making sure that we stay focused. So we have those conversations as coaches with those guys a lot.
If I could just...
See, it was all good at the end because Malkin found Kessel with a pass.
Yeah, it kind of looked like he was screaming there. He's not open. He's not open.
With that assist, by the way, he has 20 points. Wow. Tops in the playoffs. He was open eventually.